Hello, my beautiful souls. My name is Veronica Van Dam, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite form of healing. It's the trauma release dance. It's a practice, it actually helps release stored emotional and physical trauma. It combines freeform dance, breath work, and somatic awareness to activate your body's natural healing mechanisms. So, by this practice, you can release trauma, which is often trapped in the body, leading to tension, stress, and blockages. So, the benefits, the elements of these dance, free movement, just be intuitive, just go with the flow, just be in the flow. You don't have to be like, it doesn't have to be a particular way. There's no right or wrong way. Just be intuitive and let your body express and release stuck emotions. Breath work is really important. Throughout the whole dance, you have to breathe deeply and consciously because that's going to help release tension and increase body awareness. Also, somatic awareness, you need to focus on your body sensations. It helps you recognize and process stored trauma. Also, shaking is good, vibrating is good. You can shake or vibrate gently, vigorously. It's all up to you. That helps stimulate the nervous system to discharge pent up stress. Choose your music, whatever music supports your emotional expression and help you get in the flow and release. That's the music you pick. And after your dance, do some grounding techniques, bring awareness back to the body, and integrate the dance. Journal about it. See how you feel. So, it also helps you regulate your nervous system. It helps release emotional and physical tension, increases body awareness and mindfulness, and helps process past trauma. Also, it gives you freedom of self expression. Usually, this practice is done in group workshops, therapeutic settings, or you can do it at home. And if you struggle with, the traditional talk therapy, you're not much of a talker, you're not good at expressing yourself, this is the best approach for you. And so, I think I said enough. Let's begin.